Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Cori. I'm your host, Chef Cori Doern, and as you know, a proud media spokesperson for Foodland Ontario. Today, to fridge or not to fridge? That is the question. So you've just gone shopping and you've embraced all the wonderful bounty that Ontario has to offer when it comes to food. And now you're wondering, do I put this in the refrigerator or don't I? Well, today I'm going to show you what goes in the fridge and what doesn't go in the fridge. So why don't we start off with something like easy, like these beautiful Ontario beets. To fridge or not to fridge? It is a really good question because we see them in a refrigerator when we shop, but we also see them on the counter. I'm going to say when you have absolutely gorgeous beets like this, you can either do both. You can wrap them up in a paper towel and put them into the crisper in the fridge, or you can put them in a cool space like a dark cellar or a vegetable cellar and keep them out if you've got large quantities. So these beautiful beets, they're both. How about something like asparagus? When I think of beautiful Ontario asparagus that's just coming up and it's gorgeous, you absolutely want to eat it and enjoy it right away. But do I refrigerate it or don't I? Well, just like the beets, both can be either in the refrigerator or out of the refrigerator. If you want to put these in the refrigerator, then you're going to want to soak the bottom in some paper towel that's wet, then wrap it all up in saran wrap and put it in the fridge. If not, get a jar or a glass, fill it with water, and then keep it on the counter out of the fridge. How about over here? You can see me grabbing some beautiful Ontario eggs. Do these go in the fridge or not in the fridge? Well, if you're a farmer and you've just got some beautifully fresh laid eggs, you're not putting those in the refrigerator unless you wash them. But the ones that we buy at the store, absolutely. Not only do they go in the fridge, but they go on the bottom shelf, not in your crisper or anything like that. You want to put your eggs in the fridge down low, just like where you'd put your raw chicken or anything else, so that if they crack, they don't contaminate anything and they follow that refrigerator flow. Strawberries. I love Ontario strawberries. Ontario strawberries, once you buy them, you take them out of the container. Do not wash them. Put them in a flat container or plate. Put a loose covering over it like a towel, and then don't wash them. Put them in the fridge. Eat them within the next 24, 48 hours. When you are ready to use them, wash them first, then hull them before you serve them. So these beautiful babies, they go in the fridge, but on a flat surface. Now, apples also. Apples are one of those things. I see a lot of apples in the fridge. I see a lot of apples on the shelf. To fridge or not to fridge? Well, if you have a couple of them, you're going to want to put them in the fridge. But if you have a big bag of apples, then you're going to want to store those apples in a cool, dark place with little sunlight, like your garage. So I'm going to say a small amount in the fridge, a large amount, cool, dark place. Same with onions. Onions do not go in the fridge. I'm not going to play around with you. No fridge for onions. Onions, they go into a cool, dark place. Same with potatoes. Not fridged, and do not store them together. Tomatoes, no fridge. Not even going to talk to you about it. No fridge. Tomatoes do not belong in the fridge. And last but not least, garlic, not in the fridge. In a cool place, nowhere near the onions and the potatoes because they cause each other to emit negative gas and to ripen too quickly. Go to www.foodlandontario.ca and go and check out all that's growing. Click on that name and it'll tell you how to cook it, where to store it, and how to enjoy it. Thanks for watching.